How to find player ID in Headball 2. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video we will be learning how to find player ID in Headball 2 game. To find your player ID in Headball 2, first of all, launch open the Headball 2 game on your device. Once you're inside this lobby screen, go ahead and tap on the arrow button at the top right facing downwards and click on the gear button. Now, select My Account. You'll then be able to see your player's name, player ID, services that you are connected to on the page. Your player ID will be displayed over here. It is a long string of numbers, which is usually 9 digits long. Write down your player ID in a piece of a paper or somewhere safe, or you can also take a screenshot of this page. You may use your player ID for your account recovery, customer support requests, adding friends, or linking accounts. That's how you successfully find your player ID in Headball 2. Now you can use it safely, save it and use it whenever needed. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.